motherfuckers say that I'm foolish, all I talk about is shooting, but niggas know I was shooting when JoJo was making music. Got 50 clips in the Uzi, where niggas just like jacuzzi. Just taught me don't want no Gucci. Rap foreign used to drive hoopty. I'm ballin' just like a Laker, keep heat like a radiator. Get my Gucci suit tailored while I vacay in Jamaica. And baby, not tryna say it, I pass it like hot potato. My mistress bitch from Barbados, I'm well connected like cable power. Bomb you to the table, Versace draws on my balls. I used to wear Black Label, I'm young, black, and I'm able. I'm crazy, mentally unstable, been like this since the womb. Was cussing up in the cradle, I smacked the little bitch that made you and robbed the nigga that paid you. Buffy vampire slay you, Mortal Kombat annihilate them. Fuck the world, I'm penetrating. Listen to my presentation, the crowd standing ovation. Patiently running out of patience, drinking lean like I'm a patient. Turn you to a doctor patient, a lucrative operation. Molly with a codeine chaser, number 2 pencil eraser. Your favorite rapper, I chase them. How little folks come and face them. SRTs be like to race them. We're police, they like to chase us, but they never catch us, cause we strapped up with Berettas. Free Glock, 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 Beretta. Like Biggie wearing Coogee sweaters, like Memphis Bleak Rockefeller. Me and Money got together, now nigga can do whatever. Tell a preacher don't want no lecture. When you clean it, don't scratch my leather. Black whip with the red interior. Lil' boy, I'm your superior, messed up like Rey Mysterio. Hulk Hogan up on a hater, I flex, but I'm still hearing them. Now go to the other side of the ring, show them you still hearing them. Last niggas went this hard, Jay-Z and Eminem, and all the niggas tryna play hard. They really feminine, finesse the cluck, he thought it was tar, was really cinnamon. In Paris eating crepes for the bra, pass me the cinnamon, and nigga only call my phone if it's about dividends. And if you wanna hear me roar, come to the Lions Den. Boy, you know you don't want war, so stop that lying den. Bullets come right through your door, hot like a frying pan. Niggas know who up on the score, somebody died again. Now the police all on the block, a homicide again. No handshakes, head nods, cause you was not my friend. They say I ain't got no respect, then blame my mama then. Bitch, I'm Rico Reckless up the pole and rob my mama friend. And all I want for Christmas is a 50 and some Timberlands. Reckless renegade, never been afraid to say what's on my mind at any given time of day. I'm reckless renegade, never been afraid to say what's on my mind.